Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You first confirm the monitor is connected, powered, and showing a stable image. This prevents misreads. Once done, open Display Settings on your OS, Windows, Settings System Display, Mac OS, System Settings Displays. Make sure to note the current resolution and refresh rate so you can revert if needed. Also launch your GPU control panel, NVIDIA control panel, or AMD Adrenalin because some numeric options live there. This gives you access to advanced scaling and custom resolutions right away. You now change the critical numbers, resolution, and refresh rate. Start with the recommended settings, then try incrementally higher refresh rates or a custom resolution if supported. Use your GPU control panel to create custom timings or adjust scaling when OS options are limited. After applying each change, test the display for 10 to 15 seconds to watch for flicker, artifacts, or weird scaling. If the image looks unstable, immediately revert to the previous working setting so you don't risk prolonged screen issues. You finish by locking in the stable numbers. Save your custom profile in the GPU utility and update display and graphics drivers to prevent future conflicts. Once confirmed, reboot to ensure persistence. If the screen goes blank or garbled, wait 15 seconds for the OS auto-revert. If that fails, boot into safe mode and restore known good settings. Make sure to try a different cable type, DisplayPort versus HDMI, and test a different port or machine. Driver updates and cables result.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.